At around 11 AM on the 31st of July 2022, 22-year-old James Rayol rang the doorbell of a property on North Coutha Road in Sidney, Ohio. He was trying to make contact with his ex, Alison Duckrow, of the same age. They had broke up midway through 2020 for reasons currently unknown, so we don't know by this point what kind of relationship they had and whether it had ended on bad terms or not. What we do know though is that the night before the date in question, James had sent this voicemail to Alison.
Hi, Ollie. It's James. I just wanted to reach out to you because I just wanted to see how you're doing and maybe hear from you if that would be all right, I guess. It's been a while since I've talked to you, and I don't know.
Alison would later come out to say that it was this voicemail that put her and her family in a fearful state when James eventually turned up at her door on the 31st of July. However, this claim has been countered by James's sister Jessica, who was quoted as saying if she was so terrified by this voicemail, why did she respond 10 minutes later, quote, "What's up?" That's Alison's father, 52-year-old Mitchell Duckrow. He warns James that he's armed with a gun and asks him to remove himself from the property. You can only guess what the possible outcome could be now that James is attempting to barge into the house. Multiple warnings are made by various people, but in the end, James doesn't give up. He keeps on barging, and eventually this happens. Reports say that James continued to throw his shoulder into the door, busting the deadbolt lock, and he opened the door a few inches, causing Mitchell to open fire. I've had to censor the video due to the clip actually being taken off YouTube, and age restriction isn't applicable to this video, so I'll explain exactly what happens next, although the clip is up on various news websites for anyone who wishes to view it. Before you do, however, I must warn the clip is hard to watch. So, shots are fired through the door. One hits James in the shoulder, he then retreats, and 2 shots are fired as he's speed walking away. One on the opposite shoulder, and one in the back. He eventually collapses round the corner in front of the garage. For the next 7 minutes, he would be left dying on the floor. No one rushed to his aid, although neighbours approached to see what the commotion was.
Hey, buddy. Hey, what? Okay, wait. He's fine. no gun. He don't have no gun. Don't do anything. He's
trying to break in and get to our daughter.
okay. Well, he's not moving. He don't have a gun.
He broke our door in, trying to get to our daughter. Our daughter's busted in.
Okay, hold on. Did you shoot him?
Yes.
Okay. Call 911.
We're on the phone with him right now.
Okay, he's not moving. He ain't going nowhere. I thought I heard 5 shots. Like, what the?
No, 3 shots. He broke into our door coming in after our daughter. But my husband shot. He come barreling in right behind me and my daughter in the car.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah, so we got in here and he wouldn't leave. We kept telling him to leave.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Obviously, this was a that between you. Was he dating her?
They dated a long time ago. It was a long time ago.
I think.
And he
Yeah.
left her voicemail, left a message last night. Oh my God.
Okay, just calm down. Calm down.
We got neighbors are here now.
Dude, I don't.
You better hurry up and get an ambulance down here.
Oh my gosh. Hey, did you already tell them, Alan?
Yeah,
Did you
tell
tell
me
them?
he shot? He's dead. He's shot.
He's gone.
Dude, he's about ready to die. He's dead. He's shot.
He's gone.
Dude, he's about ready to die.
Hey, you can see it right there. He came into the house right there.
What's the address?
It's all on that camera right there. That fucking ring. That Ring Doorbell Camera.
Yeah, he's about dead. He'll get here. He's dead. This would be a fatality. He'll get here. So he's having a hard time breathing right now.
He already pissed himself, dude. He's gone.
No, he ain't going yet. He's still breathing. I see he's still breathing. He's still breathing. He's having a hard time breathing.
Did they hit him in the chest?
I don't see any blood. He did get it. It's something that, I mean, he's still breathing, but barely.
Man, stop staring at this man, bro.
Go tell Jenny real quick. Let her know what's going on. Somebody in the car? Is this his car? Okay, well, yeah, it's his car. Ain't nobody in it. Where are they at? I don't get it. Yep, I hear him. He's dead. He died. The guy here was trying to break into her house. The guy's dead. He died.
Where's the guy with the gun?
The guy's dead right here.
Where's the guy with the gun?
Inside the house. He's the homeowner. The guy tried to break in the house.
Okay.
And the guy was just basically protecting himself.
We're right here.
Okay, you guys have your gun down?
Yeah, we're right here.
This guy just died. I was over here next door and I heard these gunshots going off. So they told me
You
what
guys,
was going on.
can the guy with the gun, can he come out here, leave the gun inside?
Yeah.
Come in here so we can talk to him, okay?
You want to do it? I'm sorry, that door is busted.
It's okay,
In early August of 2022, a grand jury ruled 8-1 that no charges should be pressed against Mitchell on the grounds of Ohio's Stand Your Ground law, which was implemented only recently in April of 2021. This legislation and castle doctrine laws allow homeowners to use lethal force when under immediate threat. This is why the case has been thrown out and no court proceedings will be taking place moving forward. However, James's family and the Duckrose neighbor, Jeffrey Hereford, he's the first person within that Ring doorbell of the aftermath, have been on record as stating that James wasn't armed and had retreated after being shot, so some charges should be placed against Mitchell. James's sister Jessica, nearly 1 month on from the incident, has released the Ring doorbell camera footage, along with other small pieces of information to show that she believes James posed no threat. Police interview footage is currently in her possession, where she claims the family make up multiple lies about James, but that footage is yet to be released to the public.